morning, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of history, that is the first farmers and herders. In the previous chapter, we read about Paleolithic age, that is our old stone age, Mesolithic age, that is our middle stone age, and Neolithic age, that is our new stone age. So in previous chapter, we read that in Paleolithic age, early men, they learned how to make tools from the stones, how to hunt, how to gather the foods, how to protect themselves. They used to live in caves or on trees. In Mesolithic age, they have improved varieties of tools. Now वो सिर्फ स्टोन से ही टूल्स नहीं बनाते थे. They used to make tools with the help of bones and the horns of animals. When Mesolithic age was about to end, when it was going to end, they learned cultivation. They realized that when a seed comes in contact with soil and water, a plant grows there of the same seed. So now let's see what they learned in Neolithic age. What were the changes in Neolithic age? There was a complete change in the living conditions of prehistoric man. The simple reason for this change was the fact that now they know how to cultivate. They knew that by sowing seeds of wild cereals plants such as rice and wheat, they could grow their own food. They started living a settled life. In Southwest Asia, Neolithic cultures appeared soon after 10,000 BCE. So what happened in Neolithic age? There was a complete change in the life of prehistoric man, that was their early men. उनके लाइफ में कंप्लीट चेंजेस आ चुके थे. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ कल्टीवेशन, क्योंकि उनको कल्टीवेशन फार्मिंग करने आ गई थी. दैट्स वाई they were knowing very well that by sowing the seeds of plants, cereal plants like wheats and rice, they can grow their own food crops. उनको अच्छे से पता था कि if they'll sow the seeds of cereals like rice and wheat, then they can grow their own food crops. They started living a settled life. Now they have left their nomadic lives. That was, they have stopped moving from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They have settled themselves at a certain place and they started living a settled life. In Southwest Asia, एशिया का जो साउथ वेस्ट पार्ट है, दैट इज़ अ साउथ वेस्ट एशिया, न्योलिथिक कल्चर फर्स्ट appeared after 10,000 BCE. So let's see what new thing they have learned in a Neolithic age. During the Neolithic age, man started cultivating plants. First, they learned the cultivation. Second, using polished tools. Now, they don't use rough stone tools. They use proper, well-maintained, polished stone tools. Domesticating animals. They have learned how to domesticate the animals so that they can bring them in their use. Settling in villages. They have started settling in the villages. We'll see further how. The growing of plants and domestication of animals was started by the Mesolithic Natufian people. Growing of plants and domestication of animals was started by whom? Mesolithic Natufian people. Natufian, it is a name of a tribe, group of peoples, prehistoric peoples, जिनको हम Natufian people बोलते थे. So now let's see what were the changes brought about by agriculture. What were the changes which were brought by agriculture? I told you in the beginning that their life was completely changed. Why? Due to cultivation. क्योंकि उनको फार्मिंग करनी आ गई थी, जिसकी वजह से उनकी लाइफ completely चेंज हो चुकी थी. How? Because now they were no more hunters and gatherers. Now they have become a farmers. Just because they have learned farming, उनको फार्मिंग करने आ गई थी, so they started searching for a place where there was rivers and lakes, so that they can settle that side on that places. वो river lakes के आसपास settle down हो सके and they can easily do their cultivation. And moreover, water was their basic need, so they can live their lives easily. They build mud houses with thatched roofs. Now they don't live in a cave or on a tree. They live in a proper small houses made up of mud with a thatched roofs. Gradually, cluster of these houses developed in a village and man started living in community. So what happened? They used to find a certain place where there was a water, plenty of water, जहाँ पे easily उनको पानी available हो सके, so that they can fulfill their basic needs even and they can do their cultivation work also properly. So few अर्ली पीपल यूज टू फाइंड दैट प्लेस एंड सेटल डाउन देयर. कुछ अर्ली पीपल्स वहाँ पे सेटल डाउन हो जाते थे. आफ्टर सीइंग देम, उनको देख के और भी लोग वहाँ पे आके रहने लगते थे. दे यूज टू मेक द हाउसेज, small houses are made up of mud and then they used to live. So what happened when people started increasing, जब उस particular site पे, उस जगह पे more than 2 people, 2 से ज़्यादा लोग रहने लगे, मतलब group of people started living there. Then what happened, they have formed a community. Man started living in a community now. Historians have found evidence of the world's first farming community in the region between the Nile Valley, that is Egypt, in the west. Historians have found an evidence that world का first farming community कहाँ था? That was found in the region between the Nile Valley of Egypt in the west. Tigris and Euphrates rivers in the east. This area is known as Fertile Crescent. The area which was found near Tigris and Euphrates river, they were called Fertile Crescent because वहाँ का जो area था, that was very fertile. It was good for cultivation, growing the crops. They grew wheat and barley. उधर उस साइड पे लोग जो थे ईस्ट में, they used to grow wheat and barley. In the Huanghe River Valley of China, evidence of millet and rice cultivations have been found. So China के पास जो river valley थी Huanghe, उधर what the historians have found that उधर के लोग generally millet and rice grow करते थे. That's all for today. I hope you understood. Thank you.